Hi everybody and welcome, and today we will be discussing about how to scan QR code on Brawl Stars. So before we dive in, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already, as it is going to be really helping you related to different type of issues and promo codes and all this stuff. Now, to get yourself QR code scan, it is quite simple. What you need to do is simply launch your Brawl Stars onto your device, whatever device you're using, could be Android, iOS, or if you're using an emulator. So then you're going to be tap out and open your camera. You need to open your camera and scan the QR code you want to redeem, and basically you're going to be doing from your camera, and then follow the link and click on redeem. Once you do that, your promo code of course is going to be residing under that QR code maybe, and then you can enjoy your free stuff. So it is quite simple workflow for finishing up this process. I hope you got to learn something new. If you find this informative in any certain way, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and do not forget to share with your friends. See you guys around in the next video.